All right, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make when it comes to making and drinking smoothies. This video is for you if you are a woman over 40. That is who I talk to. I am Robin-Nutritionist, and I help you thrive in your body with regards to food and nutrition. And I also help you mitigate symptoms and concerns related to the pause. And I do that again with food and nutrition. And then I have some partners that work alongside me. But, anyways, let's get into the smoothie mistakes that you make. And there are three of them definitely, and then a bonus one that I want to share with you. So, number one, the biggest mistake as a nutritionist that I see people making is putting too much fruit in their smoothie. Like, make a smoothie and you're putting in berries and cherries and bananas and all of this fruit. It actually becomes a dessert. And in my opinion, when you're doing or making a smoothie, you want to make it as nutritious as possible. So too much fruit. And then the question is, how much fruit should I put in there, Robin? So a half a cup to a cup max. So a cup of blueberries may be too much. So a half a cup in that case, but a cup of strawberries is fine. And if you're having a banana in your smoothie, half of, not half, a medium banana that you want to put in your smoothie. If you want a variety of fruits, you want a little bit of peaches and you want a little bit of strawberries or cherries, then still you can put all of that together, but no more than a cup. Why? Because of your blood sugar. If you're putting too much fruit in that smoothie, it can throw off your blood sugar. And as a woman over 40, ladies, we got to pay attention to that blood sugar or our blood sugar. So that's number one. Number two is making the smoothie and not putting in any protein. So a protein powder, if you will. I love to, I love chocolate and vanilla, but I'll put a scoop of plant-based protein in my smoothie. And it just does a number of things. It helps us to meet our protein needs that are so critical for us. It helps to buffer the effects of sugar. So if you put too much fruit in there, that protein helps to balance it out. And it's just overall good for us. So the biggest mistake, number two, is not putting protein in that smoothie. And I'm thinking of a protein powder. And then I'll share with you the protein powders that I use below. And number three is not taking the opportunity to put vegetables in there. You have this smoothie, and that is a wonderful way to get your veggies in. We are oftentimes so deficient in vegetables. And if you do a smoothie, you can stick a handful of spinach in there, or you can put cucumbers in there. I actually put encapsulated produce because it's concentrated and it gives me a lot of what I need. So I'll throw that into my smoothie. So that's the third mistake. So number one is too much fruit. Number two, not adding protein. And number three, not adding vegetables. And then the fourth bonus mistake is going to get a smoothie from like a Jamba Juice or Juice It Up. Those a lot of times are desserts, lots of sugar, lots going on in there, and may be doing you more harm than good. So those are the biggest mistakes that most people make with smoothies. And I'm going to put a recipe down below. This was a fun recipe. This is a eggnog smoothie because at the time of this recording, 'tis the season. So that one is more of a dessert. It has some bananas and some dates, so it's sweeter. So it'll help you with your sweet tooth, but it'll also give you some of the, or a lot of the nutrition that you need. And I think, yeah, I think that's it. And if I got to think about the smoothie and see if there's vegetables in there, but make sure you put a handful of spinach or, like I said, cucumbers. Cucumbers, you can put them in there and they don't change the taste. It's mostly water based, so you can get that in your smoothie. So we want to make sure you add your veggies even to the recipe below. All right, I think that's all I want to say about that. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what other videos that or other questions that you may have, and I will do a video on it. And I would love to work with you as your nutritionist and support you over the next year. I'll put the information below and how we can connect and get this party started for the new year. All right, peace and blessings. Eat well, think well, and be well. This is Robin Nutritionist from Necessary Nutrition, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.